Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now, you might notice my avatar is way different, and that's because I've had a change of avatar. Tell me what you think of this avatar. Do you like it more than the old one or less than the old one? I'm going to be keeping this avatar no matter what, unless you really just are able to convince me that that I should use my other avatar. But anyway, today in this video, I am going to be I'm going to be going over there, or I'm going to be looking for the new Pokemon card, and I'm going to be selling it to see, is it really worth the rareness? Hang on, no.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
We're going to be getting every new item in the game. From the error pad, to the CEO board, to the tech deck, we are going to be getting it all. So if you do enjoy this video and want to see more content on the game, I recommend you go and hit the like button and subscribe right down below. Want to know when I'm posting? You might want to hit the bell and ring it. Ding ding ding. Anyway, let's get into this video. So what you want? So I'm gonna want this bag specifically. Then I'm gonna want this. I'm gonna wanna have a rocket. I'm not gonna bring a lot. I'm not gonna bring a weapon. Okay, let's hope we get the items. Do it. Have two. Now we are going to be careful though. We are able to collect one of the pipes though. Yeah. Okay, now I'm kind of thoughting, should I have brought a weapon? Probably should have, but oh well. Now I don't actually know. But you're not. We're doing right on items. Now, huge shout out to Just Apollo for giving me the idea of this video, and we have got this item. Hey, stay back. Alright, I'm allowed help. Thank you. Good. Now when you hear to get out of there. And oh my god. Oh. What are we gonna need? A pipe here. Pipe. Perfect. Pipe. And we got a banana. A banana. Let's continue. Oh, Mr. Mimic. I don't think you want. I bet you wish you never existed. go. Beat yourself in. Hang on, why did I do that? Oh no. Ow, God. Now, this part is going to be a little bit harder than normal, because I don't have a teleporting gun. But luckily, there's items in here which are easy. Yeah. Because they aren't bad at all. In fact, they're really cool. You can probably see they're all in this one spot. These sheesh bubbles. Oh my god. Oh my god. You crazy guy. Oh. So I just not long, come from. You know, I'll just get it more I've got to be careful here. The lighting. Whatever I still have 2 items. Both of them are pretty rare. So you want to be careful. No, guys. This is a problem. That's the certain. But I really want to change. I'm actually getting why do they make you? No. No, no, no. This is a problem. Yeah, go, 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 go. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for doing what I'm saying. That's cool. Call me. Call me. Okay, this is where we're gonna get on next item. So like, yeah, but curious. There's no item in this area. Well, there is, technically. And I'm totally because it's a new item, which wasn't in the game before this update. That is so lucky. See? Like uranium fruit, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's a bit like gold and uranium sim. Uranium. Oh my god. No. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm really sorry. I'm making it now. Stop making me go. And so yeah. Now I'm not gonna spend time trying to just get the Pokemon card and Game Boy because I already have them. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna be at the stash in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here we are at my stash now. Now you guys come out here. Oh wait, hang on. Hold up a minute. Oh shoot. I don't have a backpack. Oh, I don't have a Game Boy. We know what that means, don't we? Throw pipe. I'm not gonna need this backpack like this. I'm gonna bring this. Okay, I'm gonna okay, so I'm gonna just like I'm just gonna go and try and get a Game Boy real quick. Hang on. I'm gonna try and get a Game Boy. There's something here. We got a Game Boy. We got a Game Boy. Now we just have to get through here now, guys. You are not gonna believe what just happened. Another one? Really? Another one? Guys, look at this. I've got 2 Pokemon cards. But then if I come over to my stash, if we have a look, I am honestly, look, I have rare trading card. Somewhere I have another one. Wait a minute. Look. Look at this. This is really cool. Why? Why Animal Company? Why are you doing this to me? You're making me get put through torture. So guys, someone gave me the Game Boy. So don't.
It went in your back.
No, it didn't. It just despawned.
Wait a minute.
But yeah, so huge shout out to him. We are gonna sell these all in a minute. No, I know what to do. I know how we get it back.
Oh wait, no, I think it's like disappeared. I mean, I did give you like multiple ones, didn't I?
Yeah, that one's regular. And I guess it doesn't really matter if it's duplicated. I just sell a duplicated one. Let's see if we can find a regular one though, because I don't like selling duplicated things.
I mean,
no, I'm fine with duplicating the Game Boy. So let's sell the Game Boy. There you go. Huge shout out to Golden Gecko. He's on TikTok. Go and subscribe to him or follow him.
right, I'm gonna do a song for you real quick. Wait, ready?
Oh, that's good. Wait, I have a song as well. No, hang on, let me do it better.
Ready? Watch this.
Okay, next item we have. No, not the bag.
You threw the bag.
Yeah, okay. So, that's not bad. Okay, so that's what all of them are worth together. Probably this much just because of the Pokemon card. So yeah, that overall worth 7,000 nuts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe if you want more. I'll see you all in the next one.